Today, I would like to explain the difference between an inserted and a linked image. First, let's take a look at our circuit diagram page at file level. The page is empty but already contains some information and is therefore just over 200 kilobyte in size. Now let's see what happens if we insert a large image and place it on the page. By the way, the image can be enlarged with the S key and reduced with the Shift and S key. Now the required memory space of the page increased rapidly. And if we now practice this procedure on several pages of our project, the project will soon be several hundred MBs or even gigabytes in size. This type of image use is therefore only suitable for images that are intended to illustrate something in the planning phase and are later removed again. So how do I proceed if I want images to permanently support my plans with additional information? The best way to do this is to use Insert Image as Link. If I now place the image as a link on the page, the memory requirement of the page does not increase. So far, so good. What happens, however, is that the image is copied to the project's graphics folder. This means that it can now be used several times in an entire project and does not increase the total memory of the project any further. Another advantage here would also be that the image, especially if it has been used several times, can be replaced in a central location. Something like this. The images are refreshed after a complete project restart or by simply moving the linked images a little bit. One disadvantage is that the deleted images remain in the graphics folder. But this can also be an advantage if I want to insert the images again later. So good luck and good day.